Kaspa is about to pump all the way to the upside and maybe create a new all-time high. From this very level of support, I am expecting a pump. And Bitcoin price analysis. What have been happening in the month of August since 2018? I'll be diving right into this so that we cut our expectations short in this very month of August. So Bitcoin price prediction in the month of August for the past years since 2018. Let's dive right into this very video. Watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Kaspa is about to pump all the way to the upside, and this is my own personal expectation. Okay, I am expecting that Kaspa begin to move to the upside because this level of support is holding the market right now. We see market move all the way down from this very area, spike up to this very point of 0.124 at this very area, and then from here market rejection to this very area, and since then market have not crossed this level of important support. It means that Kaspa is maintaining strength and about to move to the upside from this very area upward. So there is a very high tendency right now for Kaspa to move from here to the upside. I am not saying that there is not a possibility of market coming back here, break this area and move right down. That possibility is there, but on the greater note, okay, let's say 80% market have capacity of moving from here all the way to the upside or stay within this very zone right at this very point. So within this very boundary of resistance and this level of support, market can stay within this very area before it can finally move all the way to the upside. So there is a high possibility of market moving upward right now on Kaspa, and this is very, very important. And like I said earlier, there is a possibility of market breaking this level of support and come back to the downside to retest on this very level of important resistance, where we see this very spike from, okay, yeah, market rejection before market come into this very area. So the possibility of market staying within this very zone is there, but market can also break out, and if we see that breakout happen right at this very point of support, the next point of support is this very zone before the market is going to move all the way to the upside. But right now I am looking at Kaspa pumping all the way to the upside from this very zone, and it can stay in this very area this very month before that pump is going to come in. But definitely market is going to pump all the way to the upside as we await that big move in crypto in this very bull market. So expect Kaspa to move all the way to the upside on the 1-day chart, and on the 4-hour chart here, something very, very different I am looking out for. Market should come here and we should have a rejection to the downside. Okay, so this is very simple right now on the chart. Market should a little bit come back down and then move all the way to the upside. And one important thing you need to pay attention to right now is the RSI indicator. So if you draw from this very point, okay, to this very area where the market is right now, you notice that the market is about to break this very level of important resistance. This very resistance is about to be broken, and if we see a breakout here, it means that the market is going to move all the way to the upside. That is why I am paying attention to market moving upward on Kaspa. Very, very important. Once we see this breakout confirm, and the next thing you need to watch out for is the market have to cross this level of resistance on the chart. So a breakout here on the indicator at this very point, and then a breakout here on the chart, market is going to pump all the way to the upside. So once these two breakout occur, they may occur simultaneously. This one can occur first before the one on the chart. Okay, so anyone the two of them have to align. Once we see the two breakouts happen, market is going to pump all the way to the upside on Kaspa 4-hour chart, and that will further make the 1-day chart right here move all the way to the upside as well, according to this very price analysis. So this is my expectation right now on Kaspa. If you're a Kaspa holder, market is about to pump to the upside, and this is very important. If you want to buy Kaspa, this is the best time to buy right now before the market will pump all the way to the upside. BTC USDT price analysis for the month of August. We want to take a look at what usually happens in the month of August on the Bitcoin chart. And if you look at this very point right here in the year 2018, and this was a bearish year, so market was coming back to the downside, and right now we see the market come back down on Bitcoin. So this market that was August 2018, market closed bearish, although it was a bearish year, but notwithstanding, market did not pump all the way to the upside, or we did not see a significant increase in the price of Bitcoin in this very year 2018 in August. And the next thing is the next year, which is 2019. 2019 was also a bear year, and we see the month of August, market did not make any significant move all the way to the upside. If you look at it here, this was Thursday, 1st August 2019. Market closed bearish as well in the month of August in 2019. This is very, very significant. So we have 2 years now that the month of August is bearish, although these 2 years were bearish years. And if you look at the next year is 2020, 2020 approaching 2021, which was the bull market. Then 2020 year, market did not make any significant move in the month of August, because we want to use this data to see what we should be expecting in this very month of August in 2024. This is very important. So 2020 August, market did not make any significant new move also in the month of August, although the market created a new high in the month of August, but the move was not significant on the 1 month chart, as you can see right here. So market did not make any significant move in the month of August in 2020. And then if you go to the next year, which was a bullish year for the month of August in 2021, market make a significant move all the way to the upside in the month of August in 2021. But this was a bullish year, so this should be the expectation for market to move all the way to the upside. And the next year is 2022. So in 2022, the month of August was bearish, okay, from this very chart, and it was also a bear year. Market come all the way to the downside, and the month of August right here, this was Monday, 1st August 2022, market come back all the way to the downside, and it was a bearish candle right here, as you can see at this very point. And the next year is 2023, which is this very point, and it was a bear year as well, and market in the month of August was bearish. Okay, so this very point, market was bearish in the month of August, as you can see right here in 2023, and it was also a bear year. And market moved all the way upward after the month of August. As you can see, in September we see a significant new move in the market, bullish, and then in the month of October, market moved bullishly all the way to the upside, and market began to move all the way to the upside, and market created a new all-time high early this year. And right now we have the month of August right here again. I am expecting that the month of August, from what we've seen from this very data, to be bearish. Okay, so don't expect any aggressive move in this very month of August on BTC. Why? Because from historical data that we've seen on our chart, the only time we see the month of August bullish was in 2021, and this was a bull year. Okay, and market moved upward in the month of August. Nevertheless, every other year since 2018, markets have been bearish in the month of August. And this is very important so that you can cut your expectation short from what you are expecting from the market, because some of us may be thinking that the month of August should be bullish. From here we should see the market move all the way to the upside in the month of August. It may not happen like that, because historically, from what we are seeing on the chart, market does not always pump to the upside in the month of August. So this chart have possibility, or this very candle we are seeing right now, have a high tendency of closing bearish in the month of August. So don't expect anything big in this very month of August. We can begin to see a gradual move in the month of September, and then that very significant pump can come in the month of October, and then November, and then December. These are bullish months in crypto from historical data. So pay attention to what you're looking at for right now on your Bitcoin chart, in line with what I just showed you right now from the month of August since 2018, so that you cut your expectations short from what you're expecting in the market. So this is very important, guys, to your day trading strategy and your investing methodology. So pay attention to this, and don't forget, Kaspa is going to have a significant move from here all the way to the upside. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.